Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys GlossyBox. So this is just the outer box. I went ahead and I tore into it because it was quite the pain in the butt. The actual box itself is right here, which I'm going to go ahead and take out. Ow. Okay. Now this is the actual box itself, which is really cute. And it comes up like a shoebox. And then I'm just kind of show you guys the best I can without dumping product everywhere. Okay. So first I got a gift card from Velvet Eyewear. It's a $25 gift card, which is really cool. I'll have to go check that out. And then let me open this. This is GlossyBox. This is Fresh Face. And just some information about February's. And then some other little information. And then this highlights the products that are inside. And then, of course, all the following and all that stuff. So, go ahead and open this. Now, I'm going to try to show you guys what this looks like. It's put together very nicely, which is really cool. Okay. So, first things first is a Buxom, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Big Teeth. This is a plumping mascara sample, which is a decent sized sample. I can honestly say I've never tried these products. Seen them in Ulta, but I've never tried them. So, nice size sample. So let's see. The product itself. So I'll have to give that a go and check it out. Looks pretty good. Alright, trying to get this back in here. Okay, next from Dr. Botanicals, it's a Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. That's just the packaging. I love stuff like this. So I really can't wait to use this. I've heard really good stuff about this, so yay. Okay, next. Let's see, this is from Theory. It is another oil. Marula oil. It's a hair serum. Whoa, I cannot talk. Hair serum. So I look forward to that. It's a nice sized bottle. I think it's about, let's see, 10 milliliters. And then, let's see, from Steve Laurent. This is Dusty Rose, and this is a lip gloss. Just open. So, there's this in the back. It's a very pretty color. And last in the box are these Parody Dew Drops. It's a hydrating eye gel. And this is completely done up. So, hold on. Get rid of all the paper and stuff. And I definitely look forward to using this as well. So very nice. So all in all, I was really skeptical about doing GlossyBox because I've heard positive and negative things about GlossyBox. It seems to be that way just all over the internet. I could never really get a straight answer. So I decided to just take the plunge and try it myself. Overall, I think the products are really great. There's obviously, aside from the lip gloss, no actual makeup products, well, in the mascara. But there's like, you know, no palettes or anything within this one. But I have heard that like every once in a while they do throw in some makeup stuff, so we'll see. Like, I like skincare too, so personally, I love the box. And I like GlossyBox, so I like it as much as any of the other boxes that I get. So I would say if you do like skincare, if you're looking for skincare to kind of go along with your makeup boxes that you get, to go ahead and try GlossyBox out, because honestly, it's really good. Like, I mean, these are some really great products. I was looking at this stuff at Ulta and like, I couldn't afford it. It was like 50 something bucks or something. So. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit the Pomeranian, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you!